Hey guys, today I have something special for you. So this are tire letterings for my car. So I got them at a really good price, and the brand that I got it from is Tire Bomb. Right here, Tire Bomb, as you can see. So I did read a bit of reviews on a couple of forums about Tire Bomb. They're not confidence inducing at all. People reported these discoloring straight onto the black vulcanized layer. People complaining about how it yellows. It's already a bit yellow when I got it. It's not perfectly white. The glue they gave at first may trick you, because this is the packaging that it came in, and you think, oh wow, that's actually a pretty not a bad glue, until you see made in China, and that's like further made worse, right? By the fact that it says Tokyo, China, and last I checked, Tokyo was in Japan, not in China, so that's not off to a good start. And this thing smells exactly like super glue. But I did get these at, like I said, a very good price. They're having their promo this month. I'm just guessing to clear stock. These originally are 300 ringgit one set for 4 tires. I got them at only 99 ringgit 90 cents, so under 100 ringgit for a set of 4 tires, and I'm not sure how long they will last, but I think it's still a pretty good deal, considering that, you know, the reviews on it are a bit. So yeah, I have them bundled up in rubber bands, as you can see, so it's easier for me to install from tire to tire. I already sorted out the letterings and all, and yeah, let's go install them. So that is it, guys. I've done all 4 tires. Here's where it all looks like. Look at that. So now we're heading over to a friend's place. We're going to check out his car. We're going to give a short walk around of his car as well. So, catch you guys there. So, we're now back on the camera and not the phone. I did check the letters for a bit before we move on. So, let's do that right now. So now we're about to drive to our friend's place. So, yeah, let's begin. And guys, this is it. This is Jay, and this is his car. So let it rip. And as you can tell, it's very soft, you know? It's not loud. Yeah, it's actually soft. So this is his 2009 Proton Satria Neo. So it's a 1.6 with a high cam, an open pot filter, and a 4:2:1 stainless steel extractor from Super Circuit. And he also has carbon hood and also carbon fenders, and he's also running the RPF 1, just like mine. So here we go. That needs a bit of cleaning, right?
It's a lot of cleaning.
So the hood is actually carbon. It's not carbon wrapped or anything. It's actual carbon. Yeah, even the fenders as well.
I didn't have time to clean it out because I'm so busy working and all.
He's even got the hood latches, dude. That's like race cars. Okay, so now let's move on to the interior. So as for interior, he has NRG racing wheel and also actual carbon bucket seats from Rise. This seat is actually from Japan.
It's actually original from Japan.
So the driver's seat is from Japan, but the passenger seat is from Thailand.
Yes.
Oh, Taiwan, okay.
Yes, it's a fake ride and it's an ori ride.
So he's got the real thing and the fake thing, you know, because driver gets the priority. And he also has, these are 4-point harnesses, I believe?
Yeah, 4-point harnesses,
so
correct.
these are also 4-point harnesses.
Oh no, it's actually cam sensing and listen to the exhaust.
Now you listen to the
Yep.
So yeah, this car is actually more race car than my car.
Alright.
The only thing my car makes, the only thing that makes my car look like a race car right now, as we can tell,
He's lying. The guy is lying. Come on.
look at this. That's like 40 horsepower per wheel, so it's like
So it's around 80 horsepower right now. This car is it's actually a Ferrari trapped in the My Beast body.
Alright, so we're gonna go for a ride along. So make sure my car is locked. Alright, now let's get in. So, and also to prove this is a race car, his air conditioning is not working. So
Yeah, so it's
a
really
bit
hot.
hot.
Every single time I drive, it's gonna be a sauna.
So I believe you also have a 3-puck
Racing clutch.
racing clutch right here.
As you can feel it.
So may I ask, what's that metal switch on the
It's a
end?
launch control, which I have yet to actually set it up.
Ooh, launch control.
Launch control, yeah.
Oh look, another Neo. Hello.
Oh my god, there we go. Yeah, that guy always parks here.
Okay, so now
Okay, it's actually like super difficult to drive this car, and driving this car is more like a workout than an enjoyable drive. So you have to, yeah, there you go.
you know, more stickers because race car. So as the story goes, Jay is the, I believe, second owner.
Yep,
Second owner of this car. So the original owner was the actual guy who put all these stickers and everything. So the story goes that the original owner also had it cammed, but the cams were really messed up.
We're messed up. One of the lobes was actually broken, and it caused the piston to lose compression. And I got it from him at a price and had it fixed for about 3,000 to 4,000, and then now it's working like a charm. It has just finished its break-in, so now I'm just taking it slow, bringing it up to temperature, you know, taking Nick for a ride.
So this is actually my second time in this car. The first time I was in here, he couldn't even rev it past 3,000 RPM.
yeah.
So now, with the break-in done, and he ran over a plastic bottle, we can now open it up. So
it's not there yet. It's not there yet.
yet.
And my fuel actually, I just pumped it up like last week, and it's down already. Oh gosh, that's the race car life though. Oh, there we go. Ouch!
What a bump. We have Jay's worst nightmare. Traffic!
Yeah.
In the 3-puck racing clutch.
You have got to be kidding me. This might be the worst time to actually drive.
We made a mistake then. We made a mistake.
And guess what? There is a lorry right in front of us. Steering wheel.
So he's got the douchebag steering wheel. He can take it to class. When he goes to class, he can take it to class. Hey, it's a great anti-theft device.
Yep. And then the rest of the cockpit is pretty simple. And I'm already sweating like a pig right here. Yep, I look really bad. I'm sweating.
And now you put on your racing harness. Oh, I forgot to mention he has a push start stop, because you know
I call this the Copycat's S2000 push start. You know why? Because when you turn the key, you can't start with the key. You have to actually have the key and start combo.
so you have to turn the key and then only press the button.
Yes,
Oh
correct.
my god.
It's like the dumb S2000 system, Honda S2000. Check that out. It's a
Yeah.
real thing.
So I believe-
My worst gear is actually the first gear, because I have trouble starting with the first gear. Like literally, I won't start it smooth, as you know.
3-puck racing clutches are not
Yes.
very friendly.
They are not friendly to the daily driver, but they are pretty grippy though.
So now we're just waiting for traffic, and I'll cut back once we get. So since we're still in traffic, Jay does have his own fair share of cars. This is not his first car, far from being the first car although. So Jay, tell us about your first car.
Okay, I had a 1995 Toyota Corolla. Hold on, let me just pull out a picture right here. Ta-da! It's this one. Then after that, I sold it off. Actually, I didn't sell it off. It's actually still at home. And I got a Bumblebee, which is my second car, the 07 Satria Neo. And I call it Bumblebee. Hold on, we are already moving, and this clutch is not doing me any justice at all. Okay, then after that, I sold that off eventually and got myself a Maybach Vera 1.8, and that I sold it off to a guy as well, and I got this one. Now this is my current car.
So this is your fourth car?
Yeah, my fourth car, correct.
And I remember you telling me about your Maybach Mira that you had. Like when you, after you sold it off to the other owner, he crashed it.
He actually crashed it, and I still have the pictures of it, and it's really, really bad. I thought like it's a gone case. Well, everyone thought the same, you see. It crashed by the side door into a tree trunk, and the whole car just bent into half, like literally bent into half.
But the driver is fine, right?
The driver is fine.
Okay.
He escaped unscathed with only a few scratches lah, and that's all. Literally unscathed. It banged through the driver's door into the tree trunk. Total loss. The car total lost. The engine is fine. The driver is fine. How that happened? God, I sold my car to him. I saw my car's engine up for sale again online on some Facebook group. So I contacted the owner, the guy who I sold it to, and I asked him like, hey, what's going on? Why is my engine on Facebook? And then he told me your car total lost. As a result of being in traffic, the light came up. The fuel light came up, so I would actually need to make a quick trip to the petrol station. Asshole.
What are you staring at? Prius? Huh, bitch? What's your problem, huh? What's your problem? Oh my god! Oh my god! We were doing very civilized 60 kilometers an hour, right, the whole time.
Yeah. Let's touch it one more time.
It's not important. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna go back to my car and I'm gonna hate it now.
Kicking on your car, man.
Do you realize what you've done to me, Jay? I'm gonna hate my car now.
No idea, dude.
I'm gonna hate my car now. Oh dear. So guys, I forgot to film the closure, and as I was editing this video here, actually at where Jay works, he's actually right there, crouching behind the corner. So anyway, special thanks to him for letting me ride in his car, giving me the experience. I've been waiting a long time for him to do a pole in his car ever since that break-in period. And if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you dislike it, leave a dislike. And I'll drop Jay's Instagram somewhere in the video, you'll see it later. And also the link is in the description. And if you guys like it, I'll make more of these videos in the future as usual. I'll catch you guys soon.